Bradshaw is here. Adam, why are these tax loopholes allowed to exist?
I mean, it's interesting you call them loopholes. I suppose the banks would say they're not loopholes, it's just the rules. And indeed, I mean, I know RBS was featured in that particular film, and I mean, you know, they say that they told us last year they contributed £3.9 billion to the UK exchequer in taxes and other fees, and they have to pay competitively. And I suppose that's the problem. The government tries to make rules, and you have an army of accountants there going, right, well, what's the way around all of those rules as well? Plus the fact, I mean, we had a bank report results just this morning, HSBC. Most of its money isn't made in the UK. It's made in Asia, China and Hong Kong. No real business reason to be located here. And they could say, look, if you make things too tough for us, we'll just up sticks. We're off. We'll go somewhere else. So the government's also got to play a game where they go, we'd like you to stay here and pay us some tax rather than go away and pay us no tax at all.
So how big a business is tax avoidance then?
It's a big business. There is an army of people out there trying to help you not pay tax or reduce the amount of tax. And of course, the richer you are, supposedly the more tax you should pay, but the more of those people you can afford. And HMRC, Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs itself, estimates something like that it loses out on something like £42 billion of tax it thinks it should get, that it's not just getting.
Is it possible for anyone to put their money into an offshore account, have wages paid in and all that kind of stuff?
Yeah, I mean, you can put your money wherever you like. I mean, if you're doing it legally, you can put it offshore, but you should, as an individual, declare it so that you pay the right amount of tax. As a company, it's different. You can just say, well, I'm not UK-based. I'm based wherever you like. And some countries have very low rates of taxation. Ireland, for instance, has a taxation rate of 12.5%, I think it is, compared to us, which is around 28%. And they're saying, come to us. And there's this sort of bidding game goes on. Come to us, we charge very low rates of tax, and that attracts companies in.